Tomica Suzuki Jimny. The Tomica Suzuki Jimny was released April 20th, 2019. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is lime green, and it has standard Tomica wheels. On the front, it has headlights, detailed front grille, and Suzuki logo. On the back, it has taillights, Suzuki, and Jimny badge. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Dream Tomica Delorean Part 3. The Dream Tomica Delorean Part 3 was released in November 21st, 2015. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is silver, and it has semi-detailed plastic wheels. The toy includes the main figure of Delorean Part 3. It is based on the Delorean from Back to the Future 3. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Tomica Ford GT Concept Car. The Tomica Ford GT Concept Car was released in September 16, 2017. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is silver, and it has standard Tomica wheels. On the front, it has headlights and Ford logo. On the back, it has taillights. Smoke window tint. Gray plastic base. Tomica Premium Ferrari Dino 246 GT. The Tomica Ferrari Dino 246 GT was released June 15, 2019. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is red, and it has detailed plastic wheels. On the front, it has plastic headlights, Dino logo, and silver bumper. On the side, it has silver trim on window. On the back, it has taillights, Dino GT badge, and silver bumper. Clear window tint. Black plastic base.